If your Maytag washer is throwing a CL code, it can mean one of two things. One, your control lock is on. To take that off, you just need to push your control lock button and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds and turn it off. You're going to do the same thing here. Hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds. It'll pop off. Or it can mean that your washer needs to be ran through a clean washer cycle. And of course, by doing that, you're just going to turn it to clean washer and hit the start, and it'll take care of that. If you do one or both of those things and your code is still not coming off, it could just mean that your washer needs to be reset. The easiest way to do that is to just unplug it, wait a couple seconds, plug it back in to see if that CL code is gone, and that is the easiest way to clear that error to make sure that your washer can work properly again.